Are you thinking of making a complaint to the CCC? We understand that you're taking a big step by reporting corruption, so you'll want to be sure that your complaint is effective. In this video, we'll show you how to provide the sort of information we need to enable a complaint to be investigated. To make a complaint effective, you should 1. Use our online form. It will take you step by step through the information we need. 2. Tell us everything you know about what happened. And 3. Remember that details make the difference between a complaint that doesn't go past the first stage and one that can be investigated. Be as specific as possible about names, dates, and places. We'll discuss this a bit more when we consider an example of a complaint later in this video. Let's look at some key areas of the online complaint form. You'll be asked to provide details about yourself. You don't have to tell us your name, but if you wish to remain anonymous, it is a good idea to use an alias or a de-identified email address. Be aware that an anonymous complaint may be more difficult to investigate. We'll ask you who is the complaint about and what the complaint is about. If you're not sure exactly when something occurred, try to put it in the context of other events, such as personal or public holidays, someone's birthday, or another major event. Use that memory trigger to help you consult records, for example, diaries or timesheets, and pinpoint a more precise date or narrow down the dates. Finally, we'll ask you if you have any evidence, such as documents, photos, or videos that you want us to consider. Now that you've seen the form, let's look at the type of detail you need to provide. You can pause the video if you want to read the complaint in full, but we will guide you through the areas that need further attention. Let's look at this complaint carefully. While it seems quite thorough, it actually needs more detail to be meaningful. Now let's rewrite it. To improve this, we have added some more information about when this happened. The complaint is easy to assess if we know who it is about and who was involved. So let's add that detail. Providing more details about what happened also provides better opportunities for the seriousness and the significance of the information to be assessed. Now, the improved complaint provides information about the dates when the briefing note was prepared and changed, and the name of the manager involved. The improved complaint describes in more detail what the briefing note was about and why the complainant believes the changes requested may have been for an improper purpose, and the location of potential evidence. Tell us everything you know about what happened. Be as specific as possible about names, dates, and places. Ensure you have everything you need to complete your complaint online.